And this is coming in from Jammu, where we understand terror activity was noted, terror movement, beg your pardon, was noted very close to the city's army base in Jammu. Details coming in that a massive anti-terror operation has been launched in Jammu city following reports of suspected terrorist movement that was spotted near the city's largest army base. The area has been completely sealed to prevent any movement in and out. Special operations group has also been called in to assist with the ongoing operations as security forces are trying to intensify efforts to neutralize this threat. Let's go across to Gursimran. He's joining us live. Gursimran, it is a matter of concern. Largest army base in Jammu, where terrorist activities were noticed, movement was spotted. Anything you're learning from your sources as to who these terrorists could be, and of course the operations that have been launched?
See, Samiksha, we can confirm that it was a terror attack at the Indian Army's largest base in the Jammu city. The terrorists opened the fire at the sentry that was deployed at one of the two main gates of this base. Right now, one army jawan has been injured in the attack. That is what we are confirming. And the manhunt is launched for the suspected terrorists. Right now, we are at the Jammu-Pathankot National Highway, where the security has been beefed up. The CRPF has been pressed into the action. This area where the terror attack has taken place is at 100 to 150 meters distance from this very place right now where we are reporting, and the highway has been put on alert. And that gate that you see, I'll request Sir Jeevan to zoom in. That gate is the place there where the attack took place, where the terrorists have opened the fire. And soon after the incident, the special operations teams of the CRPF have also been deployed along with the sophisticated weapons, and they are thoroughly carrying out the searches in the area and also assisting in the ongoing anti-terror operations. The outer cordon is with the CRPF, followed by the Jammu and Kashmir Police in the layer 2 of the cordon, and then is the Indian Army that is carrying out the search operation inside the base. The base has been secured. That means no one is allowed to enter or leave from the base. That is what we are picking up. And these exclusive visuals that you are witnessing are from the very entrance of the base. That is the road that connects to the base from the national highway. This entire base has been put under the siege, and no one is being allowed to move in or out. The CRPF, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the Indian Army, they are carrying out the massive large-scale anti-terror operations in the area, and they are also trying to identify what could possibly be the high-rise buildings that probably would have been used by the terrorists to open fire at the security forces. If you see on that side, the CRT vehicles have also been deployed. These are the crisis response team vehicles that have been put in place so that in case of any contingency, these vehicles can be deployed. So entire Jammu-Pathankot National Highway stretch has been put on the highest of the alertness, with the bulletproof vehicles being deployed on both the sides, and now the attempts are being made to neutralize the terrorists. That you see from the high-rise buildings also. These are the CRPF jawans that are coming out after carrying out the searches in the area. These searches are being carried out every minute on the high-rise buildings that the security forces have taken over. These are the high-rise buildings where the security forces have also deployed their snipers as well, because there is a possibility that the terrorists have used the sniper fire to target the Indian Army jawan, which has been injured in the attack that has been conducted so far. And now the CRPF teams, they are carrying out an intensified search operations in the area. They are trying to ensure that the perpetrators' locations are identified at an earliest, because identifying the location of the perpetrators, those who have fired on the security forces, is more important to avoid any similar kind of attack taking place, because one attack has taken place. That is what we are now getting as per the official confirmation, and the searches in the entire area is now thoroughly being carried out by the security forces. This is one of the highly sensitive areas, because here in the past also we have seen the Jaish-e-Mohammed carrying out the Fida'in attacks, and these Fida'in attacks, they were the large-scale Fida'in attacks that have been carried out by the terror group. Now as we move from this very area, here you will see that the bulletproof bunkers of the security forces, they too have been deployed. We are showing you round-the-clock visuals, exclusive visuals from the ground zero, as Republic was the first to break this, that a terror incident has been reported on the inside the largest base of the Indian Army. And as we speak, these are the visuals that we are picking up from the ground zero, that the security forces, they have also laid down the cordon in the area. These are the snipers that have also been deployed in this very area, trying to ensure that the perpetrator's location can be reached out and thwarted well within the time. But see, that area, there are some high-rise buildings that probably could have been used by the terrorists. And that is the sole reason we are witnessing back-to-back incidents that are taking place in the Jammu region. And this time it seems to be a sniper attack that has taken place. But now the security forces have intensified. And there also is one of the key installation of the Jammu and Kashmir police, where the snipers have now been deployed by the security forces so as to get an idea that if the terrorists are in and around this very premises, they can be neutralized at an earliest. But if not, then if they are in the periphery, this periphery, they can also be tracked down. These are the visuals that you are watching here, live visuals exclusively that we are showing you from the ground zero, that a terror attack has taken place. One Indian Army Jawan has been injured. Now, what was the group behind this? Who carried out this attack? Probably what it looking initially is a sniper attack, but the more details are yet to emerge as of now, that these details are too initial in nature, and these initial details suggest that this was an attack that was carried out roughly around 10:30 to 10:45 was the timing. And since then we have been showing you the visuals from the ground zero, that how the forces are conducting large-scale anti-terror operations to neutralize these terrorists. And once the security forces get some concrete information regarding the movement of the terrorists, only then some details can be divulged. But we are told that the senior officials of the Indian Army as well as the Jammu and Kashmir police, they have already arrived inside the base from a secure location. Otherwise, any movement has been blocked, at least for now, Samiksha, as this is a major terror attack that has taken place.
Gursimran, requesting you to keep talking to us. In fact, if you can give us more details about this vicinity, you know, the area surrounding the Sunjwan army base, is it densely populated? How challenging will it be for the forces to locate the hideout of those terrorists?